Say no parking at any time. Get out here and get a glimpse. I thought I was going to, oh my God. I actually thought I was going to show you guys how pretty it is when you come down over the ocean. But I'm not going to show it to you today because the ocean is full of fog. That is nothing but fog out there. Unbelievable. This is what they don't want you to see, and for all we know, this could be the coronavirus. I'm so sad if it is. But I hope this fog is from God and not from man, because if it's from man, it's the coronavirus, and everybody that's out here gonna have it no matter what. Even if they got a mask on, it's gonna go in their eyes. But it looked like a fire. Okay, now back this way is very clear. You know, that's going back north, but now we south. We're at the Pacific Ocean. We're at the Pacific Ocean where, let me walk over a little further. And let you guys see that you cannot see the ocean today. The whole ocean is covered with fog. I can't get too close to those people right there, but back right over there, you can kind of look down. You can hear the water, but you cannot see the ocean today. And this is probably something that not even the news broadcasters will show you. And if everybody's in the house, we won't know. But I have never seen a day like this. Have you guys ever seen a day like this? Have you ever seen this before? No. Me either. And I drive a school.